to SQL World. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to get the page title and get the current URL. So let's begin. For example, if we want to get this title, so we if we want to get the URL title of this website, we will navigate to this website driver.get, and here we enter the URL of the website. String title is equal to driver.get title. If we want to print this title, then we enter the system.out.println. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then it will get the title and print the title. Chrome driver is successfully opening. It will navigate to this website and get the title and then print registration form title. So here print registration form. If we want to get the current URL, then we need to select the get current URL. Here multiple options are available. We can also get the window handle, get page source, get class. Multiple options are here available. In this scenario, it will get the current URL and print the URL into the console. Chrome driver is opening. Here you can view the current URL is printed. First it will get the current URL and then it will print the URL. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.